morning all of you. So in last class we have seen the 8-point DAT FFT and 4-point DAT FFT flow graphs, okay, and the butterfly structures, okay. So let us solve some problems on 4-point DFT and 8-point DFT, okay. So he has given to find DFT using DAT FFT algorithm for 4-point, and he has given the input sequence x of n, okay. So he is asked to find the 4-point DFT. So we know that in last class we have seen the butterfly structure of 4-point DFT. Okay. So I need to write the input in the bit reverse manner. Okay. So bit reverse manner. So for 4-point DFT it is 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. So if you bit reverse this, we get 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. Okay, so this is 0, this is 2, this is 1, this is 3. Okay, so therefore I need to give the inputs in this manner. Okay, so that is x of 0, x of 2, x of 1 and x of 3. Okay, and here, so this structure will be like this, minus 1. So here what we are computing 4-point DFT, therefore it is W4 power 0. Okay, and again here 4-point DFT, it is 4 power 0, W4 power 0. Okay, so next minus 1. So here W4 power 0 and here W4 power 1. Okay, and the outputs are x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. Okay, so in last class I have shown you the how to find the values of W4 power 0, W4 power 1. Okay, so recall. So what is W4 power 0 and W4 power 1? Okay, so W4 power 0 is equal to 1 and W4 power 1 value is equal to minus j. Correct? So now, so what is the input? X of 0. It is x of 0 is equal to 0. You need to take like this, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, x of 0 is 0, x of 2 is 2, x of 1 is 1, x of 3 is 3. Okay, so now look here. So this is what, so this is the general structure of butterfly. Suppose this is A, this is B, here minus 1 is there, here W, n power R is there. Okay, so what is this equation? A plus W n power R into B. Right? So here A minus W n power R into B. Okay, so therefore look here, 0 is there. So 0 plus W n power R. What is the W n power R? That value is equal to 1. Okay, so 1 into B. B value is 2. 1 into 2 is 2. Okay, 0 plus 2 is 2. Similarly, so here 0 is coming here, 0 minus, okay, so W4 or W4 power 0 into 2. W4 power 0 is 1, 1 into 2, okay, it is equal to minus 2. Okay, so next here 1 is coming, okay, so for 1 plus, so here what is coming? W4 power 0 into 3. W4 power 0 is 1 into 3, okay, so that is 3. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Okay, so here 1 is coming, 1 minus W4 power 0 is 1, 1 into 3 is 3, 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Okay, so we have arrived at the first stage. First stage is completed. So I got 2, minus 2, 4 and minus 2. Okay, so for for the next stage, so this will be the inputs for this stage. Okay, so here also, so here 2 is coming, 2 plus, so W4 power 0 into 4. Okay, W4 power 0 is 1, 1 into 4 is 4, is equal to 6. So here 2 is coming, 2 minus W4 power 0 into 4. W4 power 0 is 1, 1 into 4 is 4, 2 minus 4 minus 2. Okay, so here from this minus 2 is coming, plus, so here W4 power 1 into minus 2. Okay, therefore W4 power 1 is minus j, so minus j into minus 2, that is plus 2j, minus 2 plus 2j. Okay, so here minus 2 is coming, minus W4 power 1 into minus 2. Okay, so this is W4 power 1 is minus j into minus 2. Okay, that is plus 2j. So here minus 2 minus 2j. Okay, so therefore x of 0 is equal to 6, x of 1 is minus 2 plus 2j, x of 2 is equal to minus 2, and x of 3 is equal to minus 2 minus 2j. 6 minus 2. Okay, so therefore our output sequence is given by x of k is equal to 6 minus 2 plus 2j, comma minus 2, comma minus 2 minus 2j. Okay, so this is 4-point DFT after given sequence x of n. Understood? Okay, so we shall solve one more problem. So here the x of n is given, it is 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so x of 0 is what? 4, x of 2 is 2, x of 1 is 3, x of 3 is 1. Okay, so now same procedure, a plus wn power r into b. So here a value is 4 plus wn power r is w4 power 0, which is equal to 1. So 1 into 2 is 2, which is equal to 6. So here 4 is coming, 4 minus, okay, so w4 power 0 into 2, 4 minus 1 into 2, it is 2, 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, so here 3 plus w4 power 0 into 1, that is 1 into 1, 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. So here 3 is coming, 3 minus 1 is plus 2. Okay, so this is the input for second stage. Okay, so here 6 plus, so here w4 power 0 into 4, that is 1 into 4, 4, 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay, so here 2 is coming, 2 plus w4 power 1 into 2. Okay, so w4 power 1 minus j into 2 minus 2j. Okay, so therefore this is equal to 2 minus 2j. Okay, so here 6 is coming, 6 minus w4 power 0 into 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay, so here 2 is coming, 2 minus w4 power 1 is minus j into 2 minus 2j, minus 2j into minus 1 plus 2j. Okay, so therefore x of 0 is equal to 10, x of 1 is 2 minus 2j, and x of 2 is 2, x of 3 is 2 plus 2j. Therefore x of k is equal to 10, comma 2 minus 2j, comma 2, comma 2 plus 2j. Okay. Okay, so we solved 4-point DFT problems. Okay, and we shall solve on 8-point DFT. Okay, so find DFT of x of n using DIT-FFT algorithm. Okay, so count the input sequence. It is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 8 input samples are given. Okay, this is 8-point DFT. Okay, so we shall see how to solve this one. So same like the 4-point DFT. So here also I need to consider the input sequence in the bit reverse manner. Okay. So before that, so here I need to find the values of W8 power 0, W8 power 1, W8 power 2, W8 power 3. If I know these values earlier, okay, so it will be easier to substitute in the problem. Okay. So W8 power 0 is e power minus j 2 pi by n is 8 into 0. So this value becomes 1. Okay. So W8 power 1 e power minus j 2 pi by 8 into 1, and its value is equal to so you can find it using cos 2 pi by 8 minus j sin 2 pi by 8, okay, which is equal to 0.707 minus 0.707 j. Okay, and the value of W8 power 2 is equal to minus j, and the value of W8 power 3, so you need to find in this way only. Okay, so minus 0.707 minus 0.707 j. If I know these values earlier, we can directly substitute in the problem. Okay. So we shall write the butterfly structure now. Since it is 8-point DFT, I will get 8 lines. So here also I need to give the inputs in a bit reverse manner. Okay. So x of 0, x of 4, x of 2, x of 6, x of 1, x of 5, x of 3, x of 7. Okay. So I have considered the input in the bit reverse manner, so which we know already. Okay. So and the outputs will be in the same order. It is x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6, and x of 7. Okay. And so the first stage will be like this. So here minus 1, here W8 power 0, since it is 8-point DFT. Okay. Minus 1, W8 power 0, minus 1, W8 power 0, minus 1, W8 power 0. W8 power 0, W8 power 1. Okay, minus 1. So this is W8 power 2. So it is W8 power 2. Minus 1, W8 power 0, minus 1, W8 power 1, minus 1, W8 power 2, minus 1, W8 power 3. Okay, so W8 power 0, W8 power 1, 2, 3. So this is my butterfly structure. Okay, so now substitute the inputs and calculate outputs of each stage in order to arrive at x of k. Okay, so first, what is x of 0? It is given in order only. X of 0 is equal to 0, x of 4 is 4, x of 2 is 2, x of 6 is 6, x of 1 is 1, x of 5 is 5, x of 3 is 3, x of 7 is 7. Okay, so now we know that. So what is the output here? It is a plus W8 power 0 into 4. A value is 0 plus W8 power 0. Okay, so W8 power 0 value, W8 power 0 is equal to 1. W8 power 1 is equal to 0.707 minus 0.707 J. W8 power 2 value is minus J. W8 power 3 value is minus 0.707 minus 0.707 J. Okay. So therefore, W8 power 0 value is 1. So 1 into 4, 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. Okay. So here 0 minus W8 power 0 is 1. 1 into 4 is 4. Is minus 4. Okay. So here 2 is coming. 2 plus W8 power 0 is 1. 1 into 6, 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. So here 2 is coming. 2 minus 6. It is minus 4. So here 1 plus 5 is 6. 1 minus 5 minus 4. Okay. So here 3 plus 7 equal to 10. So here 3 is coming. 3 minus 7 is equal to minus 4. Okay. So now I got the outputs of first stage. Okay. So next, these will be the inputs for this stage. Okay. So here 4 is coming. 4 plus W8 power 0 into 8. W8 power 0 is 1. 1 into 8 is 8. 4 plus 8, 12. Okay. So here minus 4 plus W8 power 2. What is the value of W8 power 2? It is minus J into minus 4. So minus J minus 4, it is plus 4J agta. Okay. So therefore minus 4 plus 4J. Okay. So here 4 is coming. 4 minus W8 power 0 into 8. It is 8. 4 minus 8 minus 4. Okay. So here minus 4 is coming. Minus W8 power 2 is minus j into minus 4. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus 4j. Okay. So here 6 is coming. 6 plus W840 is 1 into 10, 10. 6 plus 10, 16. So here minus 4 is coming. Minus 4 plus W8/2 is minus j. Minus j into minus 4. It is plus 4j. Minus 4 plus 4j. So here 6 is coming. 6 minus W8/0 is 1. 1 into 10 is 10. 6 minus 10, minus 4. Okay. So here minus 4 is coming. Minus 4. So minus j into minus 4. It is plus 4j. Plus 4j into minus 1. It is minus 4j. Therefore minus 4 minus 4j. I got the outputs of second stage. So now this outputs of this second stage will be the inputs for this third stage. Okay. So here what is coming from this? 12 plus, so here W8/0 into 16. W8/0 is 1 into 16 is 16. 16 plus 12, 28. Okay, so here minus 4 plus 4j is coming. Okay, plus W8/0 into 16. It is 16. Okay, if you solve this, you get right. So here from this side I get minus 4 plus 4j. Okay, so it is coming from where? So it is coming from here. Okay, that is W8/1 into minus 4 plus 4j. Okay, so what is the value of W8/1? It is equal to 0.707 minus 0.707j. Okay, so you need to multiply this W8/1 value with this minus 4 plus 4j. Okay, so therefore here what? Plus, so 0.707 minus 0.707j into, so here what I have? Minus 4 plus 4j. Minus 4 plus 4j. Okay, so therefore if you solve this, I get minus 4 plus 9.656j. Okay, so similarly here minus 4 is coming. Minus 4. And here W8/2. W8/2 value is minus j. Minus j into minus 4 plus 4j. Minus 4 plus 4j. So here minus 4j is coming. Okay, so plus W8/3. W8/3 value is what? Minus 0.707. Minus 0.707. Okay, so therefore multiply these two. The minus 0.707 minus 0.707j into minus 4 minus 4j. You multiply these two and add to this minus 4 plus 4j. I get minus 4 plus 1.656 J. Okay, so here 12 is coming. 12 minus W840 is 1. 1 into 16 is 16. 12 minus 16 it is minus 4. Okay, so here minus 4 plus 4J is coming. Minus 4 plus 4J minus W841 into minus 4 plus 4J. So W84 value is 0.707 minus 0.707J into minus 4 plus 4J. So you multiply these two and add to minus 4 plus 4J. I get minus 4 minus 1.656J. Okay, so here minus 4 minus W842 is minus J into minus 4 plus 4J plus 4J into minus 1, it is minus 4J. Minus 4 minus 4J. Okay, so here minus 4 minus 4J is coming. Minus W843 is minus 0.707 minus 0.707J into this minus 4 minus 4J. Okay, so therefore I get minus 4 minus 9.656J. Okay, so this is x of k. Okay, so what is x of k now? Therefore, x of k is equal to 28, minus 4 plus 9.656J, minus 4 plus 4J, minus 4 plus 1.656J, minus 4 minus 4 minus 1.656J, minus 4 minus 4J, minus 4 minus 9.656J. This is my 8-point DFT. Okay. So if you observe here, so this x of 2 is a complex conjugate of x of 6. X of 3 is complex conjugate of x of 5. X of 1 is complex conjugate of x of 7. Observe. So here minus 4 plus 9.656J is there. What is the complex conjugate of this? It is minus 4 minus 9.656J. Okay, so what is x of 2? Minus 4 plus 4J. Complex conjugate of it is minus 4 minus 4J. Similarly, minus 4 plus 1.656J and its complex conjugate is minus 4 minus 1.656J. Okay, and this x of 4 is always real. Okay, so you can find up to x of 4 and you can directly write these remaining answers, but you solve this and compare the answers. Okay, so you will get whether you are correct or not. Okay, so this is 8-point DFT.